How to fix story archive not showing on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the three lines and then tap on the archive option you see there. Here you will see the option for settings. Tap on it and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for save story to archive. And with this, only stories posted after this setting will be enabled and will be available in the archive chat. So if this was not on from before, then you will not be able to see the archive stories from before. Next, you can simply go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Additionally, you can also simply force quit the Instagram application by swiping up and exiting the app and then reopen it in order to refresh your account data. You can also simply pull down to force a sync with Instagram server on your Instagram feed. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to simply log out and log back in. To do that, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for log out. Tap on it and then tap on the log out option again and then log back in. And this will refresh your session and often restore missing archived stories. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the general option. Here, tap on iPhone storage and then tap on Instagram and offload the app and reinstall the app again. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and delete the app and then reinstall it from your app store, as reinstalling downloads a clean copy of the app and fixes many account sync problems. See if that helps, and if not, then you can check your recently deleted folder. So open Instagram again and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Here you will see the option for your activity. So tap on the your activity option you see there and then tap on the recently deleted option, and here you will be able to see deleted archives, as sometimes it might sit here. You can also simply check the Instagram server and make sure that the server is working just fine, and if not, then you can simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix story archive not showing on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.